Play in the right hand, F sharp, A, then B. You'll do that twice, so it's drop your thumb down a whole step and then do it again. Jump back up to the F sharp and play it again. And that time you did it 4 times. Then what you'll do is you'll play a G, A, B twice. Drop this G down to a F sharp. Then play a E, A, B. You'll do that 4 times. So putting that whole section together, it's then you'll do that whole section again, and then towards the bridge what you'll do is, so after, let's pretend that this is the second time around and you're doing this here. Now instead, normally you would repeat from the F sharp, but now we're going to do something different. We're going to play the F sharp, A, B. And then, so you do that 4 times, then you're going to jump up here and play this. That's basically a D, E, and an A. You'll do that 4 times. Then you can jump back into the F sharp. And so on. Your left hand's gonna play octave Ds. That's a D here and a D here. Octave C sharps. Then octave Bs. Then you'll play octave Gs, octave F sharps, then octave Es, and then you'll go ahead and repeat that same section. I'm playing a little faster than normal, but now once you get up to this point, what you're gonna do is play octave Fs, F sharps, then octave Gs, then octave As. Then you'll repeat from the top. Now putting it all together,